Hi everybody and welcome back to my ex-high school. So, today we have Eachine Novice 3. We reviewed the Eachine Novice 1 and actually I turned it into a Dyson Mini, as you can see. And here is the best kit they have. This is their most expensive one. This is like 200 bucks. And it comes with the Eachine EV800 goggles, as you can see. This is actually a really good pair of goggles because it has a good screen and you can even dismount it and use it as a monitor like this. So, talking about the radio here. This radio is a much bigger improvement to the Novice 1 you saw in my latest review. Because that thing was really a plasticky radio, it wasn't really good. This thing actually has real gimbals, as you can see. It has a screen, it runs on OpenTX. It's a really old version of OpenTX, but it has OpenTX. And the most important thing, it runs on FrSky. So this means you don't actually really need to update your radio or to get another one if you get another drone, because most probably that drone is gonna support FrSky some way and you can use this radio, you can bind it and you can create another model. Also it has a plug, a USB plug. I guess you can run it through OpenTX Companion, you can use a simulator on this. It's a pretty nice radio, I gotta say. And it's a proper radio. And for 200 bucks you get a lot of value, because you get the radio, you get the goggles, good goggles. Like, yeah, they're not the best, but they are really good for the price. And you get a really nice drone. This thing flies so fast and it's really indestructible, because my friend here crashed like 50 times with 8 batteries. And this thing, still on the original propellers, still on the original motors. I mean, something came out, like a plug, something, but really, you just replug it and fly. Really nice. Eachine did a great job this time, even better than the Novice 1. And this is actually a kit you can keep. They give you 6 batteries with the fly more option, but you will need to use one into the radio, so you have 5 at the end. Still, if you get a regular, lithium-ion battery for this, you have a spare battery for the drone, and 6 batteries is quite a nice deal for 200 bucks. And they are Tatus batteries, so even a good brand of battery. Also, this drone comes with this nifty little charger. Oh, how does this drone fly, you ask? This thing is super powerful, it goes really fast, and it's even really stable. I tried pushing it, I'll show you some videos I recorded with my DVR. Also, it has an option to put a micro SD inside and record the DVR on your drone, so it doesn't have interferences and stuff. I've not tried it, because this is not my drone, it's my friend's drone. But still, everything you need will be in the manual that comes with the drone, and there you can learn everything about it. So if you are a starter, basically, you can learn everything there. How to bind it, how to charge the batteries, and everything is really detailed. Also, you can look for tutorials on YouTube, on the internet. There are many forums. FPV has come a long way and now everything is documented, so it's really easy to find information out there. So, wrapping it up. In my opinion, this is the best kit you can get for the money. I mean, a FrSky radio, good goggles, good drone. As always, if you are interested, you can go down the description and find links with discounts for Banggood. That's it for today. Bye.